Welcome to ClearTax Expert Assisted Filing. In this video, we will guide you on how to pay your self-assessment tax on the income tax portal and upload the challan on ClearTax to keep your filing process smooth and penalty-free. Firstly, start by logging into ClearTax account and navigating to the tax summary page, or you can select the review and approve section from the filing status drop-down. Then click on the pay tax dues. This will redirect you to the income tax portal. Next, enter your user ID, which can be your PAN, and click on continue. Then enter your password and click on login. Once you are logged in, go to the e-file tab in the top menu and select e-pay tax from the drop-down. On the next screen, click on new payment. From the list of all the options, select income tax and click on proceed. Under the type of payment, choose self-assessment tax 300. For the assessment year, select the correct year. If you are paying for the financial year 2024-25, choose assessment year 2025-26. Then click on continue. Now enter the tax amount payable in the tax section based on the computation shared by your tax expert and click on continue. Then review the details and make any necessary edits. If everything is correct, click on pay now. Next, choose your bank and preferred mode of payment, whether it could be net banking, debit card, RTGS, NEFT or any other payment gateway. Complete the payment, and once you see the payment successful confirmation, click on download challan and save the PDF. Return to your ClearTax account and log in with your details. Here, you will find the option to upload documents and upload the challan PDF you just downloaded. After uploading, click on submit documents, then go to your tax summary page where the click to e-file option will now be enabled. Proceed to file your return, which will be completed within a few minutes. Finally, enter your OTP to finish the e-verification process. This completes your ITR filing. If you still face any issues, feel free to reach out to us at services@cleartax.in.